Quick, easy, and effortless crochet boho box braids, and the takedown will only take you seconds. Hello beautiful, I'm Jayla Marie. If you're new here, welcome back guys. Today I'm creating a boho box braids wig featuring Ywigs deep wave human hair crochet boho box braids in 18 inches long and in the color natural. With my order, I received 3 packs and each pack comes with 2 bundles of 20 braids. Now guys, I used this same hair in the bulk in a previous video where I did individual boho box braids. Check that out, I'll have it linked above in the cards. But I do not have the time to do individual braids. It just takes way too long and I need something quick and fast. So I'm making a boho box braids wig using the crochet hair. I bought this crochet braid wig cap from my local beauty supply store. Installing these crochet boho braids on this wig cap was so simple. I placed my latch hook down through the net, attached my hair, pulled it through, making sure the braid is not twisted and is straight. Latch on the end of the braid and pull it through. I made sure I had 2 to 3 fingers width apart between each braid. And I just followed the diamond pattern of the crochet wig cap. Now when I'm placing the crochet boho braids in the front, I'm making sure that I'm pointing my latch hook up so that the braids fall to the back. And guys, this only took me like 20 minutes to do. It was so fast and quick. And I used all 3 packs to create this wig. Don't forget to check the description box down below for the link to Ywigs. Now let's install this unit. And yes, I chopped my hair off again. So if you like your girl bald-headed and want some boho box braids, I got you, sis. I went ahead and did some baby hairs, and I'm taking a black wig cap and placing that on. Next, I'm placing the wig on, and it fits nice and snug, so I don't need any combs. Then I'm taking this black yoga headband and placing that on. Do y'all see how gorgeous these crochet boho braids are? And this deep wave human hair is so soft. I'm so in love with how this wig turned out, guys. I mean, I can't believe that you can't tell that this is a wig. It looks so natural. And you can do quite a bit of different styles with this unit. I'll show you how you can put it up in a ponytail. And then you can rock it down. I placed a bucket hat on with it. And also you can swoop it along the front and rock it down. It's lightweight, breathable, and I can remove it at night and have a good night's rest. Please like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. I love to chat with you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.